ang pulos mo, awan mabalin mi. Before graduation, kaya ko nga agadal ti abugasya. Absintak because I was then working underground. Was working underground. And as I said,
Underground, bakit Lepanto, sir?
Lepanto. So nga, I knew all the levels from 700 to 1130 at that time. Because I worked there.
You work there.
Madamit, nagiti napipintas nga babae nga siguro. Sida ka niya. Medyo adamit. Ako na nga siguro. Kaya't da siya nga very friendly da kanya. Kaya't kung ariman nga awat, tinuptupal laang. And you know also, what I cannot remove from my memory was what my mother told me in my dream. Kuna na nga, sing-singpot ka anak. Sing-singpot ka anak. Tay, once in a while, ada dagiti babak ng kaklase nga, ag-invite na nga ag-inom. Maki-inom. Mukha, all of a sudden, rumwar da dyan. Wanid. Iremedyo tikas. Isos nga peso. What will become of me if this is what I am doing? Kunak. So, that was how it was. So, third graduation, bagak nga, I want to proceed to College of Law. That duwang uncle ko both on both sides, mayat-mat, sige, tumulong kami. Ori no amok nga, awan piman mat pangalaanda because my late uncle on my mother's side, inla ko na ti dayawon dangan nuang yan mi nga. That was siguro the most costly at that time. The 500 pesos.
500 pesos.
Just itulong na kanya piman. So I was inspired. So I said, all right, I will look for a job so that I can possibly teach during the day and then take up law in the afternoon.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.